this is Mark from Panalytics, and this is part of a series of videos on creating capacity in your business. That means getting more from your resources. When we talk about this topic, we often focus on process, that's mainly your workflow processes, automation or the technology you use. But here we're focused on the people, how they're organized inside your business. And we're encouraging you to think differently. Let's pretend we're from Mars and we're looking at your business with a completely fresh perspective. One thing that we would observe is that you're in the people business. That means you sell services and you need people to be really well organized and motivated and driven and skills in order for your business to succeed. Let's look a little bit more closely into the skills that any people business requires. By the way, we're not talking about an accounting business here. That's one example of a people business, but any business that sells services will need the following skills. First of all, interpersonal skills, the ability to work well with people, to motivate other people, to get other people excited, to persuade other people to do the things that you need them to do. This is really important because we have clients and we want our clients to want to work with us and want to work even more with us than they have in the past. That's part of client sales, and it involves interpersonal skills. Sometimes we have to solve the problems that arise in any business with our clients or even internally. And this also calls on our interpersonal skills. These are quite strategic applications of interpersonal skills. Sometimes we have to create relationships with our clients to get them to do what we need them to do. It could be as simple as sending us documents or sharing information. The work of the client service coordinator is exactly this role. It's administering our client relationships, and we need good interpersonal skills to do this. Mostly, we use these interpersonal skills in a proactive way. We reach out positively to get the results that we want. There are times, however, where we're also reactive. This is where clients call you and say, hey, I need this, I need that, and we need to quickly respond and give them the experience that they want. All of this relates to interpersonal skills and is absolutely critical in any people business, including an accounting business. Now, the second skill set we might look at is management skills. Whenever you have more than one person working on a particular project, you have managerial challenges and opportunities. So what are managers good at? They're good at getting people to do the things that they need them to do. And they delegate work effectively because they understand the skills of people, and they quality control that work so that the output is exactly what is required. But what's often overlooked in management is process management. That is the design, the development, and the implementation of business processes, which makes sense because the fact is your team may need processes to help them get the work done that they need to get done. So managers are really skilled at looking for repeatable processes that they can bring into the business and make sure they deliver. Now, the third skill set that we require are the technicians or the engine room of the business. They execute the work that we sell. Now, in an accounting business, and this is the first time I've mentioned accounting, we may have senior accountants, tax advisors, bookkeepers. They may be less experienced or less skilled, but we need a whole variety of skill sets inside that engine room. And all we want them to focus on is high quality work. We want them to deliver the work that we have promised to our clients. Now look at this list. One of the biggest mistakes that we see is accounting firms going out to try and hire the person who has abundant skills in all of these areas. Not only are they brilliant technically in accounting, they're brilliant at managing, they can get other people to work with them, and they can create long-term relationships of trust with the clients? Well, this is a very, very difficult thing to hire. Even if you had a huge budget to put behind this, you are unlikely to get all of those skills in one person. So the key thing is to figure out which of these roles you want to fill and to hire people for that particular purpose. We hope this has been a helpful insight into your approach to hiring for your people business. Thanks for your time today.